not say anything about it, but I thought I might say something about the sound design, because it's not synthesis or anything. It's field recordings I took in Shanghai over the last 2 weeks. And what you heard were a couple of bees, a hydraulic press, two stones like scraping over each other, and me breathing into the microphone. And yeah, thank you. Oh, I forgot the funniest thing actually, because I had to learn Blender for this, and I wanted the arrows to be chrome, and I made the material chrome, but it did not turn up, and I realized I have to have some virtual environment, and the reflections you see in the arrows is actually the central station of my hometown. I found a HDRI background online. It's quite funny, I thought.